You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, in Spanish known in English as Andrews. This is obviously quite a common name in Spanish-speaking countries, and it stands for Andrews, after Saint Andrews. The Spanish pronunciation is as Andrés. You can see that there is an accent on the E, indicating that the stress goes on that tres syllable. Andrés. Andrés. If you cannot pronounce Spanish perfectly or roll the R, you can say it as Andrés, okay? But stress on that dress syllable. Andrés, or better, Andrés. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.